I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies. And we're going to show you our two-sided dog tags.
Stay tuned. And we're back. So today in this video, we are going to be working with our two-sided dog tag. So let's get started.
We did our design using Photoshop, and we printed on one of our Sawgrass printers. And I did print 2 of each side on here, so we're just going to trim this up. And we're going to press multiple tags at a time. Always be sure to check to see if there's a film on there, which we have already done. And then line it up. Okay, and you'll notice when I created this, I did use the template that we have online, so there's a really good bleed area, so we shouldn't have any white areas.
Perfect. Okay, so I am using a 9x12 press today. I'm going to center it in the middle. I'm going to place my image face down, transfer side face up. So let's get started. Okay, so we're pressing today at 400 degrees for 60 seconds at a medium pressure. Okay, so we're almost there. We do have our thermal gloves on. Because aluminum is hot, and we are going to remove immediately. And just let cool for a few seconds. Usually, since it is thin, it takes just a few seconds to let it cool.
Okay, now for the second side, we're going to do the same thing. Line it up.
Perfect. Okay, so again, I'm going to place my image face down. And then press again at 400 degrees for 60 seconds at a medium pressure. Okay, so we are going to put our thermal gloves back on.
And clearly you don't have to wear the same hand.
Okay, so again, this is going to be a hot peel as well. So remove immediately. And then just let it cool for a few seconds, and then you are good to go. Okay, so once cooled, it is ready to be picked up, and now you can put it on a chain or use as any other standard tag. Anything else you want to add in there, Meredith?
These are great for team members or kids. You can put a key ring in there. They can hook it on their bags. That way they can keep track of their stuff as well.
That is perfect. So again, you can find templates and instructions available online at coastalbusiness.com, so please be sure to check those out as well. And we do offer a chain also on there as an accessory that you can purchase
separately.
Yes, there you go. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.